We are Tampa bound, ready for that RV show. What are you holding there, little Missy? We are so glad that we got in when we did before all the rain starts. So it's not just a pile of mush because the ground is already getting very soft. We're already leaving divots in the ground, but we're in, we're off now to get hooked up. What's going on?
Oh, just jacks. Story
oh
of
my
life.
gosh. Seriously, story of our life. It's our front right jack now. We just pulled into the fairgrounds for the Jayco Jubilee and our front right jack is not working. So we'll see.
Let me clean my bike off.
We are heading to the Tampa show.
We are. First day at the RV show will be today. We're so excited to see some new RVs.
Yeah, so
I don't know.
I don't know what that is. So yeah, it'll be pretty cool. I'm excited to see some new stuff.
The Jubilee, the Jayco Jubilee, they have a shuttle for us, so we don't even have to drive and pay for parking.
It's great.
So we're headed to the shuttle bus right now.
We are. There they are.
Oh, look how cool, guys.
You get to ride on one of those.
I'm right.
We better hurry.
Mom.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, let me do this. That was cool. Is it right here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Right here.
Oh, this is open range. Yeah.
This is open range.
Yep. This is where we
This
wanted.
is where we want to be.
Yep.
Anything you guys want to see, ask these people. They know all about it.
Yep. The new 3X. Yeah.
Yeah, check this thing out,
Yeah.
guys.
I've been wanting to see this thing.
You get this thing is sweet.
Yeah.
Probably one of the coolest things I've seen in an RV.
Your air conditioner's gonna be more efficient, your heater's gonna be more efficient.
50% more insulation. We get that rear bed suite.
That is pretty sweet.
They set the bathroom off to the side instead of your rear in a lot of your dual suites.
Yeah.
That way you have access to it. You ain't got to walk through the bedroom.
Oh, look, Rudy. It's got
Sweet.
a bunk up here.
Yeah, there's her bedroom right there.
Go up there.
It's a funky one right here.
Oh, that's a good size. It's bigger than the one you got.
What are you guys camping in now?
371 NBH.
Oh yeah? Yeah. How you guys liking that?
Oh, we love it.
Yeah.
What are they selling it for?
This one's, I think it's 78.9.
Oh, wow. Did you hear that?
What?
78.
Yeah, $79.99.
$79.99.
They actually put real backsplash in this thing here too. So like you check that backsplash, that's like that Subway backsplash.
Yeah,
It's just for like the cheapest plastics.
what's the? Is this 43 or 42?
On the length?
No, yeah, length.
Should be, yeah. Actually, this one's 44 on the length.
Can I hit that on camera?
It's 44 total.
40, yeah, 43. No, you're right.
43. Yeah.
Yep.
That
Wait, does it have
They
the
were
weight
showing-
capacity if I put one of the kids on the...
Oh yeah, I'll tell you what, you're perfect. They got,
Come
they
here.
got 4 bunks in there.
What is behind here? What is it? Look at all that space.
They did that automatic storeway bed. You hit that button, it runs up. So you have all that room, that floor space in here, plus your massive closet.
Is that the washer dryer hookup?
Yeah, you can do your washer dryer hookups. Which actually on this one here, I wonder if they store them underneath. On
Yeah,
this.
they must have. Yeah, because here's your dryer vent.
Yeah, let's say right there you are. So you can do side and side on that. Plus I like too, on this one they went with 36 by 36 bathrooms, so a lot of them go longer. Think you have more space, but you can't stand sideways in it. So they actually just made it a square bathroom, 36 by 36. It's like walking through a big door. So
Right.
you have all that room. It's pretty sweet.
Yeah, this is. They really went to town on it.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't see this until, I mean, I knew we were going to be by it down here at the show. I'm
Right.
from Ohio. When I come down, I was like, man, I said, I know that 3X is going to be a hit, and I can't wait until we get a load of them on the way, because these things are going to sell themselves.
Yeah,
These
this
things
is
are sweet.
this is cool.
Yeah, I like how they did it.
They did a good
Sliders on the
job.
bathroom make it seem like you have that huge open floor plan with the bathroom and everything, too.
With all this counter space. Another bath, and it's a shower, but with a little bit of a bathtub.
Dada, the refrigerator.
Yeah.
And a grill.
It makes us nervous.
Mom. The refrigerator.
I think Dad walked around back. There he is.
Remember, things are looking up.
So today, we're taking a break from the Jayco Jubilee, and we're going to take the kids to the
Museum of Science and Industry
There you go.
in Tampa, Florida.
So we're gonna
MOSI for short.
go explore this for a few hours, get out, explore Tampa, and then we'll be back there this evening.
Just pulled up to Parksdale Farm Market. This is world famous strawberry shortcake. So we have to grab one before we leave this area because we have heard from several people that these are the best strawberry shortcakes ever. So here we go, we're gonna try it out.